Hello fellow folders. Today I'll be showing you the design process of my origami horse. First, I sketched the tree of the design. The tree represents the body parts of the horse as well as their relationship to one another. This will help us when making the crease pattern. Next, we break down the tree to 3 parts. Then, we can find the pattern or molecule that fit into each of the subtree. When we combine the patterns, we will get a rough idea of the crease pattern. We now have the head and the tail on our paper. But, what about the empty space on the middle of the paper? Turns out that we can fill the center with a water bomb base. If we sink the water bomb base in and out, we will now get the complete crease pattern. The unused paper at the side of the paper can be tucked underneath the base during the collapsing process. There are actually many other ways to fill in the center and we would still get the same base. But, I decided to use this pattern because it is the easiest to fold. Now that the base is completed, all we have to do is to shape the model. This is based on your own preferences as a designer. For me, the shaping of the head borrows some element from Lang's horse, but includes color change on the mane. The back leg have been going through many variations to find the most satisfying legs to me. In the end, I decided on this variation in the final model. Now that the shapings are done, we have finally completed the model. This process of breaking down the tree into smaller trees can help you to visualize the patterns or molecules that you needed to make the crease pattern, especially if you are a beginner in origami designing. I myself am not the best in this method, but by doing this it has helped me tremendously in planning the crease pattern for some of my models. One tip that I can share to you is to study the crease pattern of your favorite origami artist and see how they arrange their flaps and pay attention to the patterns or molecules that they use to fill the crease pattern. That is all for today. I hope that this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye and see you next time.